everyone. I hope you all are doing great today. How is your day? And today I'm back with another vlog. Technically, this is my first English vlog because my other vlog, the first one, was in Hindi. So technically, this is my first English vlog. So I hope you all are doing great today. Today I have come back to my mom's place for a special reason. Actually, my relatives have come here to visit us, and my cousin is also here, and so that's why I'm here. And I would love to show him to you all. So let's go meet him.
Hello everyone, I'm Samyak Roy from Bangalore.
That's great. And you know what? His specialty is that he knows really good English. He knows English even better than me because he lives in Bangalore and he has a surrounding where he can speak English. So I would like you to share some tips for learning English for my viewers. They would love it.
So hello to all the viewers who are watching this video. And yes, of course, I know that many of you do not have an English speaking environment because you do not have anyone to interact with, to communicate with. And I would like to help you make this environment for yourself so that you can learn better English. Now, first of all, you should read books. That's basically what everyone says. But you should also watch a lot of English movies. Now, an important thing is that not only watching the English movies, but watching the English movies with subtitles. So you can understand their tone, the way they are saying the words, in what context they are saying the words, the pronunciation. And you can understand that through the subtitles. The second thing, if you do not have anyone to speak to or with, what you can do is that everyone has smartphones these days. So you can go ahead to Alexa or Siri or Google Assistant and you can communicate with them. You can have a debate, a conversation with them. And as you actively say the words, they record the words on the phone. And you can see what you are speaking and how the other person would probably understand that. Like if you're saying a word and people do not understand that word, and if you try it with Google Assistant, you will find out what that word sounds like and where you're going wrong with it. But the most important thing is that once you find out a new word, you should go ahead, give it a search, go to Google, pick up a dictionary, whatever it may be. You can go ahead, search that word and understand the pronunciation. Important thing, keep your differentiations between British and American English because people get really confused between those two. So that's one thing to remember. If you're a follower of American English, go ahead with American. Or if you're a follower of British English, go ahead with British. That's all from my side. Thank you. So, is there anything else you would like to ask me?
Okay, so it was great. It was amazing. I really thank you for your opinions and your tips. So you mentioned some things about differentiating between the American and British accents. So what are your opinions on accents?
Well, I think that accents show our identity, and if you have a British and American accent, it is like you are usually taking up what they are saying. You are losing your own way of saying, your own way of depicting something. So you can go ahead with American accent because American accent, well, if you remember the American Revolution, people wanted to show themselves as different from the British. They changed spellings, they changed pronunciations. Like neighbor, you have a U in British English, but the U is completely absent in American English. So such small subtleties, they differentiate. But I think that we should have our own accent, one which shows us our true identity, one which does not make us artificial to others. And that is all I would like to say about accents.
That was great. You have a great opinion towards the accents. So, apart from what he said, I would like to add one more point that consistency is must. Whatever we are doing, whatever tip we are following, we need to have a consistency for it. And also one more thing, that we should start speaking about anything, like any small detail, like a flower, a tree, a tube light, or even a fan, your shirt, or anything you see around you. You should speak on that for 5 minutes And initially, you'll find difficulties because 5 minutes is a very big time. But after a few days, after like 10 or 15 days, you'll start finding it easier. So gradually, it will become easier. And I think these are the tips that we should follow. And thank you so much for coming here.
I thank you for this amazing opportunity. So, bye bye to everyone and see you later.
Bye. Let's meet in the next scene.